You arrive thinking you know what a city is. You're wrong. Tokyo isn't just a city, it's a living organism, a sprawling, hyper-caffeinated beast. Concrete steel light stand at Shibuya Crossing. It's the world's most famous intersection for a reason. Thousands of people, a human river, flow across the asphalt with an impossible, unspoken choreography. The buildings loom over you, plastered with screens that scream advertisements into the night. Tip: go to the Starbucks overlooking the crossing. Get a coffee, find a window seat, and just watch. Then there's Osaka, Tokyo's grittier, louder, more gluttonous sibling. Takoyaki cheap beer. You walk down the canal, the neon glow of the Glico Running Man reflecting off the dark water. Tip: don't just stick to the main drag. The real magic is in the narrow side alleys, where tiny bars and hidden eateries serve up the soul of the city. If you're enjoying this journey, subscribe, hit like, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next destination. After the sensory overload of the big cities, you need a palate cleanser. You need Kyoto. Take a walk through Fushimi Inari Shrine. You're not just walking. You're passing through thousands of vermilion torii gates, each one a prayer or a wish from someone who came before you. Dappled sunlight filters through the trees. Tip: keep climbing. Most tourists turn back early. The higher you go, the more peace you find. At dusk, paper lanterns flicker to life, casting a warm glow on dark wooden machiya houses. The clip-clop of their wooden sandals on stone-paved streets echoes through history. Tip: be respectful. Don't chase them for photos. Hiroshima is a different kind of quiet. It's a heavy quiet. The A-bomb dome stands as a skeletal, haunting reminder. You walk through the museum. The stories and artifacts hit you like a physical blow. The sound is one of solemnity, distant tolling of the peace bell, quiet footsteps on gravel, gentle flow of the river. Look around, a modern, vibrant city that rose from the ashes. Tip: after the park, go eat okonomiyaki. There are some things that photos can't prepare you for. Mount Fuji is one of them. The best way to commune with it is from a distance, across the serene waters of a place like Lake Kawaguchi. In the early morning, before the clouds roll in, its reflection is perfectly mirrored on the still surface of the lake. It dominates the horizon, changing its mood with the light and the weather. Tip: don't fixate on one viewpoint. Rent a bicycle and circle the lake. The perspective changes constantly. Then you go north, way north. Hokkaido is Japan's final frontier. In summer you go to Furano. Vast fields of lavender stretch to the horizon. The landscape transforms into a rolling tapestry of color. You can hear the buzz of bees and the whisper of the wind sweeping across the open plains. You eat melon that's so sweet it's almost unreal. You drink milk from local dairies. It's a different rhythm of life, slower and more deliberate. Proof that Japan is incredibly diverse. Tip: try the lavender-flavored soft-serve ice cream. It sounds strange, but it's surprisingly delicious and perfectly captures the essence of the place. History in Japan isn't always confined to museums and temples. Welcome to Nara Park, over 1,000 wild sika deer, considered messengers of the gods. The sound is a mix of tourist chatter, the rustle of deer cracker bags, and surprisingly loud munching. They bow for crackers, they'll nudge you, and sometimes try to abscond with your belongings. Tip: buy the deer crackers but hide them immediately. Feed one deer at a time, or you will be mobbed. Beyond the deer, Todaiji houses a colossal bronze Buddha, faith and history you can feel. A short ferry ride brings you to Miyajima, where the famous floating torii greets you. At high tide, it appears to hover on the surface of the water. The main shrine is built on stilts, a marvel honoring the sea gods. At night, the shrine and torii glow, their reflections shimmering on the dark water. Tip: stay overnight on the island. Some structures are so perfect, they seem to defy time. Himeji Castle is one of them, the White Heron Castle. It's the real thing. Worn wood underfoot, cool plaster walls. Tip: Wear socks you can slip on and off. For a different aesthetic, go to Kanazawa, Kenrokwin, a living work of art that changes with the seasons. Get lost in a futuristic city one day, walk through an ancient forest the next. Come for the sights. Leave with a feeling.